Welcome to the Queen's Court. I am so thankful, grateful, and blessed to be here. I have a Dollar Tree and Dossier haul for you today. All right, so if you like what I do here at the Queen's Court, please like, comment, and subscribe. I love to have you. Here we do reviews, we do shop with me, we do tablescapes, we do room tours, I do some everything, you know. I do DIYs. Haven't did those in a long time, but I will be back at it. Yes, and I do Dollar Tree hauls, and I do Temu hauls, okay? So, and collective hauls from all sorts of stores. All right, so let's get started. All right, so up with Dossier. Dossier is a high-end, inspired company, okay? Dossier makes beautiful, beautiful perfumes. I love them. I have so many Dossiers, and thank you, Dossier, for entrusting me to be an ambassador for you. So Dossier comes like this here. It's well packaged. Like I always say, you can always use this package, you know. After you have used your gift, you can send this out as a gift to someone, or you can use this afterwards, do a DIY on it. And if you're using it yourself, you can do a DIY on these and use it for a gift packaging. Yes, I love it. I love Dossier, okay? So, Dossier, comes like this here, you know, with the notes and all. And this featured one is Powdery Jasmine. Okay? Powdery Jasmine. Powdery Jasmine top notes are gentiana, fennel, exotic fruits. Middle notes are white flowers, jasmine, orange blossom. Base notes are vanilla, amberwood, gourmand notes, okay? Inspired by Victor Rolf, Good Fortune, all right? So, yes, here it is, and let's see what this smells like, okay? And I love, like, the magnetic top. Oh, I love it, love it, love it, love it, okay? And I'm going to spray it on here as well. That smells pretty good. I have Victor and Rolf. Oh, what is it called? But anyway, I love it. I'm almost out of that. That smells good. I like that. I like that. I can smell the amber. I can smell the jasmine. I smell, I don't know how fennel smells, y'all. I really don't. Yeah, I don't know how fennel smells. I smell that orange blossom, exotic flowers. That amber woods. It smells really good. I like it. I think I'll wear this tomorrow. Yes, I think I'll wear that tomorrow. But like I said, Dossier can be found at Walmart, okay? Please, I will leave Dossier information down below. Dossier.com. Go on there. Find you some beautiful perfumes, y'all. You know I have a collection of them. You can go back and look at some of my videos and look at how I express Dossier and everything, and how I like them. I love a lot of their perfumes. They really smell good. And thank you again, Dossier. Thank you. All right, so up first is going to be honey. Look, let me tell you something. Y'all, I'm sorry. I got about maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them in here left. Y'all, these are addictive. You can get addicted from this here stuff right here. You know, now bigger and cheesier than ever. Come on. Yeah. I love these things. Me and my daughter, we love these, y'all. I'm sorry about the bag being empty, but get you some of these. Please don't get addicted like me. Please don't. I love them. Okay, and we had a staple in our house, the ground coffee vanilla cream brulee. This tastes so good, y'all. This is really good. Okay, it comes like that, and they have it where you can see it like this. This is really, really good. I like it, and I think it tastes really good, and my daughter likes it. So yes, all right. And I also had picked up, okay, I'm gonna say picked up. I picked up this cheddar garlic biscuit mix. Okay, cheddar garlic biscuit mix. Pillsbury, you can't go wrong. I really don't think you can. So it just add water, and it has, like, I guess it has cheese and stuff in there, but I would add more cheese. Yeah, but I don't know if it's the flavoring of cheese and garlic. I don't know. It makes 12 to 14 biscuits, and the expiration date is November the 2nd, 2024. Okay, November the 2nd, 2024. Okay, yes. So yeah, yep, $1.25. And I also found on my wish list, I found me some of these socks. Reese's, y'all. I love Reese cups. I love me some Reese cups. Love them. So yeah, I thought these were so cute. Okay, so yeah. It fits men's shoe size 6 to 12. But yeah, I just got this for, I can give it to one of my grandkids, the oldest one, because these would be a little too big for me, but they are so cute. All right, and I also picked up off my wish list, I got the boxers. Okay, I got the boxers. All right, and these are for my grandson, my youngest grandson. Okay, but you can't beat this. You cannot beat this. This is in a size small, but these are super cute, and I got 2 pair. Okay, yes, I thought that was really, really good. How y'all doing? Y'all doing all right? I hope y'all are blessed. All right, so okay, here I got the pomegranate grenade. Okay, I like the packaging on this. It's a face mask. Okay, so it's pomegranate. I thought the packaging was so cute on this. Forever Young by Jean Pierre or something like that. Okay, it's distributed by her company, Jean Pierre Inc. in New York. Okay, and that is pomegranate grenade face mask. Okay, all right. And I also picked up Love Struck. Okay, and I didn't just get that. I got the scrub that goes with it. Okay, yes. Okay, so yeah, let's see what this smells like. It's very light scented. They say it smell like love spell. I don't know about that. Okay, it's okay. But this here has a very good throw on it. Look at that. That smells really good. That has a really nice throw on it. Okay, and I also wanted to try these, but I wanted the the vanilla. So, because somebody said, Burn, from All Things Burn, said that it tastes like a milkshake when you put it in the refrigerator. And, but I got the cookies and cream, okay? The expiration date on this is October the 8th, 2024. Let's see if you can see that. October the 8th, 2024. All right? Yes, and it is cookies and cream. Yeah, so I'm going to give this a try. I'm going to give that a try. I also got this moisturizer lotion by Dermasil Labs. Yeah, it's eczema relief moisturizing lotion. Okay, I got that. Okay. And let's see what this feels like. Feels pretty good. Oh yeah, has a nice moisture on it. I like thick stuff, y'all. Thick stuff that's gonna do something. So let's say it's good for eczema, but it's good for my dry hands as well. All right, so, and I also got on my wish list. I was looking for these, and I found it. Yes. The glass storage containers, y'all. And little, if you have just a little bit of stuff left over, in your your leftovers, you can put this in. They say glass is really good, so I'm trying to get into a lot of the glass stuff. Nice seal. I like that. I like when it pop. I love when it pop. All right, y'all, I'm sorry, but I got these right here. It's 3 of them. Oh, Lord. Never mind. I'll save it for another day. Because I don't know where it is. All right. And I got... Yes. This is on my wish list too, y'all. The wash and dry. Yes. I finally got it. Dry and wash. Okay, I got them. Finally got them. I love it. Yes. I was looking for that, and it has like the flowers on each side. You can decorate it. The little flowers on the side. I wish it was dark, though. I wish it was like in black. But yeah, really nice. I'll work with it. That works for me. Okay. That over there. And another thing that I got that was on my wish list was the collapsible this is super cute. Look at that, y'all. And the 2 sides come down and make it okay, look at that. Super cute, right? Yes. I'm going to put my glasses in here. Okay. That is so adorable. Love it. Love that, y'all. And it's collapsible, and I believe it's stackable as well. Look at that. Take it down. Hold it back. Really nice. Love that. Okay, y'all. So, I'm going to show some of my glasses created by me. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Okay. That is absolutely gorgeous. Creations by Andrea. Look at that. That's beautiful. I absolutely love it. Humble as ever, but aware of my value. I absolutely love that. Okay. And I run on coffee and Jesus. I like that. I run on coffee and Jesus. Okay. And this is the top. And you have the different, coffees and stuff like that there. Yep. Coffee and Jesus, okay? And I also have Nurse Life, okay? Nurse Life. If you know somebody that's a nurse, this will be a nice gift for them. I am a nurse. What's your superpower? Educated drug dealer. I thought that was so cute. Educated drug dealer. Okay, y'all, I'll put a lot of love into this. And this is noble. Nurse is noble, understanding, rational, sensitive, empathetic. Empathy. Okay? Yes. So, that's another one. And here we have Fueled by Coffee and Sarcasm. Okay. Another one. That was like Valentine's, I believe, but hearts are always, to me. And here's another one. Who loves books and coffee? Just a girl who loves books and coffee. Okay? This is for the book lover. All right? This is for the book lover. This is absolutely gorgeous. Y'all, I don't mean no harm, but I like them all. They're all pretty to me. Okay? Yep. They're all pretty to me. All right. So, listen. I am so thankful and grateful to all my subscribers, all my queens and kings, y'all, because I know we have some kings that watch this here state channel as well. I want to thank you to all my faithful return and family members, queens. I love y'all. And I want to say welcome to all my new family members. I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you again for coming and subscribing to the Queen's Court. I appreciate your love and your support. And remember that Jesus loves you, and so do I. And remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you until I see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Love you all.